Am I wrong for telling my son that he has to go to college, get a job, or get out? My wife and I have three kids. They're 17, 15, and 10. My oldest has no intention to do anything after high school, at least none that he's made clear to us. So I gave him the same ultimatum that my parents gave me: either go to college, get a job, or get out. I chose to travel the world for 2 years. I had a lot of sailing experience, and my father had a lot of friends in that community, so I was able to sail around the world, earning money and working my ass off. It was no vacation. My family is well off, and I could have chosen an indolent life. But I knew that I would be a disappointment if I chose that. So when I got back, I enrolled in university and eventually went to work for the family business. My wife thinks that I'm being unfair to our poor baby boy by throwing him out into the big bad world. But I'm not. We have the money to pay for his university. We have the money for all three of the kids. My middle child will probably end up with a good chunk in her pocket because she's on track for an academic as well as golf scholarship. The 10-year-old is, 10, so who knows what he's going to do. But he does know the plan, and we have not been secretive about this rule. My wife and I agreed that we would raise productive members of society before we got engaged. Her and my son think that I'm being cruel to expect him to fend for himself at 18. I've offered him multiple opportunities to do other things, but he has no interest in anything beyond his computer. I'm at a loss. I don't think I'm wrong for expecting an adult to adult. My parents have already told him that they will not be giving him any money if he isn't in school or working. My wife is threatening to use her salary to support him. I don't have any say in that. I won't actually kick him out of the house, but I will stop paying his bills and cut off our grocery budget by 20%. If my wife wants to work so that he doesn't have to, there's nothing I can do about that.